I like trains.
Hello everyone. As you can see, I'm trackside here on the old main line subdivision. Way down there is Hoods Mill Road, and I'm testing out a new spot today. I'm a little bit east of Hoods Mill Road, and the main reason is because of the lighting at this time of day. I'm here right now to catch CSX manifest train M371, which is heading westbound from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania to Cumberland, Maryland. It is currently approaching me, and I actually hear him honking. Wait a second. Not sure if you can hear that. It's K5LA. That should be a Gaither Road. This 371 has apparently a -8 and GP40-2 up front. Well, there's 5 engines. They're both trailing. And then it's also got some maintenance away equipment. And I heard the 25.3 defect detector go off, which is at Gorsick. And it was exactly 700 axles, so this is a long train. So I'm going to let you guys go. And here comes M371 heading westbound up the old main line. So here we go, guys. All right, here he is. New York Central. I don't know where the -8 and oh wait, we got some more. Oh, New York Central right here. Wow. Wait, what the heck? What the heck? That was really weird. I don't think I've ever seen a DPU placement that weird in my entire life. That was strange as anything. So maybe, just maybe, this is my guess now, they combined a work train with 371. So maybe the locomotives that just passed were originally going to leave 371, and then they hooked it up to some work train. That is something I've never seen before. That was really interesting. And lots of New York Central rolling stock on that maintenance away part of the train. We got an intermodal well here too. Yeah, lots of C&O. Those were pretty rare. Those gondolas are pretty special. Pretty old. That's why I like going for work trains, because they like to use very old rolling stock for those, because they're not used very often. So yeah, these are all empty auto racks. Oh, actually, that one, the one that just passed was these are actually partially loaded. Some of these are actually loaded, so I'm wrong. Sell a few vehicles in those. He is climbing East Hood. He's going up the grade all the way to Mount Airy. Definitely has to be one of the strangest trains I've ever seen on the old main line, but hey, that's good. That's probably a patch C&W or something. Didn't film that very well. Whoops. Conrail, look at that. Conrail quality, that was a nice one. Likely another ex-Illinois Central botched car right there. There's the end. Very interesting 371. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Alrighty, thank you guys for watching this video of M371. And here at Hoods Mill Road, or right past Hoods Mill Road, crossing on the old main line, this is the old main guy signing off, and everyone watching this video, have a great day.